and so appreciative that they've brought the RX Air machines, 95 of them, to Eagle Hill School. They'll be in our classrooms, in our dining commons, in our workout facilities, our dormitories, and bring clean air into all enclosed spaces. Important at all times for all people, but never more so during a pandemic. And I can tell you on behalf of our teachers and resident counselors and faculty members, and keeping them safe is critical, and also on behalf of our parents, knowing that their children in our boarding school environments are so happy with the investment, your generosity on everyone's part to make their children's lives safe and healthy, and where they can learn in an environment, in-person environment in a boarding school. So for that, we're eternally grateful.
The RX Air is available at medaersolutions.com. Contact us for more information today.